Hello developers! Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll guide you through setting up your development environment on Linux, macOS, and Windows. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this guide is here to help you get everything up and running smoothly. Let's get started. The first step is to install Java. Spring Boot requires a Java Development Kit (JDK). Now, let's install the JDK in Linux. Let's get started. Now open a terminal. Press Ctrl+Alt+T. This is a common keyboard shortcut to open a terminal in many Linux distributions. The first step is to check if Java is already installed on your system. Type Java version and enter. If Java is not installed, then you will see something displayed on the screen. If Java is already installed, you'll see the version information displayed on the screen. In this tutorial, we are going to use Spring Boot 3 for the demo, and Spring Boot 3 requires a minimum JDK 17. If your installed Java version is less than 17, then follow the Java installation steps. Otherwise, you can directly move to the next part of the video. Let's install the JDK. Type sudo apt-get install openjdk and press the tab button to display a list of available JDKs on your screen. From the list, select any JDK version that is 17 or greater. By typing its name or number, then press Enter to proceed with the installation. Please wait for some time to allow the Java installation to complete. To verify that Java has been installed correctly, type Java version in the terminal again. You should see the version information of the OpenJDK. Additionally, you can check the Java compiler version by typing javac version. If you see a different version other than the one you installed, then follow the next step. Type as sudo update alternatives, config Java, and you will see a list of Java installed on your machine. Select any JDK from the list and press Enter. To verify again that Java version is correct, type Java version in the terminal again. You should see the version information of the OpenJDK. Now, let's install the JDK in Mac. Let's get started. Open terminal and type Java version and enter. If Java is already installed, you'll see the version information displayed on the screen. If the JDK version is less than 17 or not installed, then download Oracle JDK from the official website and follow the steps mentioned on the site. Or follow the below step. If Homebrew is not installed on your system, then run the command displayed on the screen. After Homebrew is installed, run the command brew search openjdk. This command returns a list of JDKs. In this list, you will also find OpenJDK. Run the command brew info openjdk to see information about the JDK version. It mostly contains JDK 21 at the time when the video was recorded. Run brew install openjdk to install the JDK on system. Once JDK is installed, then run all three commands shown on screen one by one to set Java home. To verify Java is installed or not, run Java version in the terminal again. You should see the version information of JDK. For Windows, download the JDK from Oracle official site and follow the installation instruction. Maven is a powerful build tool that we'll be using for our projects. Let's get it installed. Now, let's install the Maven in Linux. Let's get started. The first step is to update the package index. Open a terminal and type sudo apt update, then press Enter. This ensures you have the latest information about available packages. Now, let's install Apache Maven. In the same terminal, type sudo apt install Maven and press Enter. This command will download and install Maven along with its dependencies. Please wait for some time for the Maven installation to complete. To verify that Maven has been installed successfully, type mvn version in the terminal and press Enter. This will display Maven's version along with other information about the installation. Now let's install Maven on macOS. Assuming Homebrew is already installed, if not, please install Homebrew first. The process of installing Homebrew has already been explained in the Java Mac installation section. Open the terminal, type brew install Maven, and press Enter. To verify that Maven has been installed successfully, type mvn version in the terminal and press enter. This command will display Maven's version along with other information about the installation. In Windows, please download Maven from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Lastly, let's talk about your IDE. Choose one that suits your style. Today, we'll mention two popular options, Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA. Visit the Eclipse website, download the IDE for Java developers, and follow the installation steps. Eclipse provides a solid, open-source option for Java development. In this tutorial, we are going to use IntelliJ Community Edition. Let's download IntelliJ Community. For IntelliJ IDEA, head to JetBrains website. Download the Community Edition. Once the download is completed, install it. In Linux, after downloading IntelliJ, extract the tar file. Once extraction is completed, then navigate to the IntelliJ folder, open the bin directory, and right-click to open the terminal here. In the terminal, type /idea.sh. It will open IntelliJ. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tutorials.